How to create a YouTube channel. I'm so excited for you because this is the turning point for you. If you can follow the steps in this video and create a YouTube channel, I promise you it can change everything for you. Just like it changed everything for me. I can still remember back to when I was creating my YouTube channel and I was wondering, will this really work? Can I really grow a full-time income with a YouTube channel? And you can. And I'm proof of it, and there's so much more proof out there for you. So I want you to believe in yourself, follow these steps, and let's get your YouTube channel started. That'll help you grow a full-time income online. So the first thing that we're going to do to create your YouTube channel is create a new Gmail that's going to be specifically for your YouTube channel. If you already have a Gmail account, then you can use this one for your YouTube channel. So let's jump onto the laptop, and on youtube.com homepage, head over to the top right hand side and click on the sign in button. Then it's going to ask you to sign in. If you already have a Gmail account, you can sign in. If you don't, head over to create account, and then you can say for myself or to manage my business. Now you can create a personal brand account or you can create a brand account for your business. If you're not quite sure which one you want to do, watch our video here on how to choose a name for your YouTube channel. That'll help you decide between a personal brand and a brand for your business. We're going to create a brand for our business, and then I'm going to put in my first name, last name. We're going to create a new Gmail address, so click on that, and we're going to call it Editing Avenue. Let's see if that is available. That's not currently available, so we're going to go Editing Avenue and then YT for YouTube. So you might have to come up with a few variations to your name. If you can't get the exact email address that you want for your brand, that's okay, as long as we can get the name that you want on your YouTube channel. Then enter a secure password and click on the blue next button. Then they're going to ask you to input your phone number. Now this is optional, but if you input your mobile number now, it's going to make it easier for you to verify your YouTube account later. Then you can put a recovery email and then enter your birth date. I'm going to just cover these up for privacy reasons, but you can complete that and click on the blue next button. Next, we're going to arrive at the privacy terms and conditions. Go through those. Once you're happy, click on the blue I agree button. Your Google account is all set, and now add your business profile. So click continue. We're going to add our business to Google. So now this is an extra step in creating your YouTube channel, but it's nice to have it set up so that people can find you on Google. We're going to have a YouTube channel as our business category. We're going to do photography service as our business category and then click next. Do you want to add a location? No. We are remote. Where do you service customers? And United Kingdom. And go next. We are based in South Africa. We're servicing customers online. So select where your region of your business is located and click on the blue next button. And then they're going to ask for a contact number. So we're going to put our contact number in, and we don't have a website yet. So we're going to say, I don't need a website. We're going to create that at a later stage. And we're going to select no for the last one and click next. And there we have finished setting up our business profile. Now that is a few extra steps that you don't have to do right now, but it does help with your business profile at a later stage. So we're going to go verify later, and then we're going to head to the top right hand side, click on Google Apps and click on YouTube. Now it's going to open a new YouTube page, and you're going to see that our icon in the top right will go to a circle with the first letter of your first name. So we're going to click on that, and then under our manage your Google account, you're going to have create a channel, and we're going to click on create a channel. Your creator journey has begun. I'm so excited because this is a turning point for you. This is the action step that you've been waiting to take to get your business off the ground, to start taking action and to start making your dreams come true. So keep following these steps to the end of the video so that you can create your YouTube video and start creating an income for yourself online. So make sure you follow these steps all the way to the end of the video so that you can set up your YouTube channel for success. So let's click on that blue Get Started button. Now we're going to choose between using our personal name and using a brand account. Now for this example that I'm going to show you, I'm going to create a brand account, but if you're still not sure, remember that video I mentioned, and I'll link it down below, where we explain the difference and how to choose between a personal brand and a brand for your business. So we're going to use a custom name, and then we're going to add our channel name, which is Editing Avenue. And then you need to tick the box. I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own setting, including YouTube search and watch history, and click on the Create button. Nice work, your channel has been created. Now the next few steps are really important to set up your channel so it looks professional when people start watching your videos and they want to decide whether they should subscribe and follow your channel so that they can stay up to date with all your new videos. And this is so important and so crucial when you're first starting out, to make your YouTube channel look good and entice people to subscribe and start following your YouTube channel. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is upload a profile picture. So click on the upload picture and you're going to need a profile picture for your YouTube channel. So we've chosen a really simple picture to get us started with our profile. Don't waste too much time on this. Just make sure that it's relevant for your YouTube channel, and you can always update it whenever you want in the future. Next, we're going to fill in the About section for your YouTube channel. So write a quick channel description. Now remember, it's really important to include the topic and the interests that you're going to be targeting for your YouTube channel. When we're first starting out, we're going to focus a lot on ranking your videos inside of YouTube search. If you want a beginner's guide on YouTube SEO, you can watch our video here where we walk you through the very basics to get you started with keyword research and get you ranking those first few videos on YouTube. But for now, let's just make sure we include a few of those keywords for the kind of videos that you want to rank. So there are a few things that I want you to include in your description. I want you to include who your videos are for. What type of person are they for? Photographers, ours is for photographers. Are they for entrepreneurs? Are they for men? Are they for women? Are they for kids? So the person or your audience that your videos are for, and how your videos are going to help them. What kind of value are you going to deliver in your videos? Give them a reason to want to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Once you've finished adding a description, we're going to now add links to your website and your social media. So we haven't set up a website or our social media yet. This is a brand new brand that Sam and I are building. So I'm super excited about this new project. So if you want to, I'll leave a link to the channel in the description down below, and you can head over there. If you're interested in saving time editing your photos in Lightroom, then you can have a look at some of our tutorials, and we're going to add our website and social media links later. If you've got them, you can add them in here, and then once you're done, you can go save and continue. Now YouTube is going to take you across to your YouTube channel homepage. So it's all set up. Sometimes your profile picture takes a while to refresh and come through. If you want to, you can refresh the page a few times and check that your new profile picture loads. There we go. We've got it to load on ours. And then you can customize your channel. I'm going to show you how to do this once we have a couple of videos on the channel, and that's later on in the process of setting up your YouTube channel for success. If you're interested in seeing the full video on this, have a look at the link in the description down below, because customizing your channel with playlists and where your videos are when people arrive on your homepage is a great way to direct them to the videos that are going to give you the most views and the most watch time. And that's going to help you get to that 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours mark quicker, which means you can monetize your YouTube channel, start showing ads, and start making money. Now, that's not the only way that you can start making money on your YouTube channel, but that concept is for another day. And we do have videos about how you can monetize your YouTube channel before you've got to the 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours mark on our channel, so you can head across there if you want to see some of those tips and tricks. The last thing that I want to do is to upload a channel banner. So a channel banner is the background at the top of your channel when people arrive on your channel homepage. So head over to Customize Channel, and this is going to take you inside of YouTube Studio. Now, YouTube Studio has just updated, so it's all new. So let me show you how you can add your YouTube channel banner. We're going to head over to Branding, and then below our profile picture, this is where you can change your profile picture if you would like to. There is a banner image, and we're going to upload a banner image for our YouTube channel. We're going to add in the image that we want, and then you can now drag it around to see how it's going to look on different devices. Now, most people are watching YouTube on their phones, so take this into account, but some people are watching on their laptop, iPad, or even on their TV. So make sure it looks good on all the dimensions, no matter what people are watching your YouTube channel on. So we can drag it around as to how we want it to look. I'm going to make it a tiny bit smaller so we can fit in our view, and I quite like it like that. And then we're going to click Done. Now, when you're doing your banner, I want you to add text into your YouTube banner. Head over to my channel and have a look at how I've done it on DM with Karl, and you'll see exactly why I want you to do it. If you let your audience know when you're releasing videos, they're way more likely to be ready to watch your videos as soon as you release them, which is really important when you're first growing your YouTube channel. Once we've finished uploading our channel banner, we're going to head to the top right and click on the Publish. This is going to save it and make it public on your YouTube channel. Once it's saved, let's head back to our channel and refresh and have a look how our channel banner looks when a new person arrives on it. So that's pretty cool. I like the way it looks, and we're very happy with that. In the next video in this series, I'm going to show you how to come up with your first 10 video ideas for your new YouTube channel, so we can start uploading some videos for your new subscribers that are going to help you get you to that 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours mark, so that we can monetize your YouTube channel. So that video is going to pop up for you right here, and you can click and start watching so that you can come up with your first 10 video ideas for your YouTube channel. Don't forget to smash that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.